Hi, I am Sanjay Seth. I am working as Head of Taxation in Hero MotoCorp Limited. So I have experience of working in the field of taxation for last 20 years. So tax is something which I have been working on and giving this and serving various industries over the last 20 years. Oh, excellent. It was an excellent experience. The way the students have done research, the way they were presenting their ideas, it was a novel experience. Very innovative and very confident. I will say that the students of present generation are so confident that they are capable of finding solutions to any problem. When you are presenting some idea, when you have done some research, some ideas may be implemented, some may not be implemented. But the work done by those students was simply excellent. It was very innovative, very novel, and the confidence level was very good. They are looking at solutions, they are providing ideas which is really outstanding. I will really appreciate, and the industry is and business school is today giving leaders which can be used in the industry in finding solutions to the problems of a common man. As I said, students are very tech savvy, they are very smart, and they are fearless. They are ready to take risk. I think the capability and the appetite to take risk has increased, and that is the reason that we keep on getting so many new ideas, so many startups are coming, and I think there has been a phenomenal change over the last 20 years. I think students are our future. There is no doubt about it. And the way they have been giving ideas, the way they have been providing their thoughts on various complex issues, I think that's something which is going to change the future of the entire country. Hero Campus Challenge was definitely on a different footing. It was a very difficult process right from beginning. So many filters were there, so many stages were there, and it was not easy to come to the finale. I think it was really difficult, and it was totally different from all other business schools.